Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the declarative schema. So declarative schema is basically working like a doctrine or migrations files that we do in the Laravel, right? So the in the upper versions like Magento 2.3 it supports, right? So what is the use of that? Why we are not going to create that table with the help of the install script or the upgrade scripts? What are the issues facing for that one? So the issue is why we are come to the declarative schema. Basically, when you try to create any kind of script, adding a column, rename a table, something like this, you always need to press upgrade the command, and always Magento applies that changes to the apply the changes to that table, right? If it is not required, so always it looks into that table and apply the changes, right? So to remove that, we are going to use the declarative schema, and it's very flexible, easy, and all the steps can be done with the help of a single XML file. Okay, so that's the main thing. So you can create multiple tables, just you have to create a single XML file, db schema, and just add your table name and create it. Okay, so let's start the tutorial how we are going to create the table first. So I have already created a table. First of all, in etc we have to define the module.xml in etc, and after that we have to define etc db schema.xml, right? So if I will show you the this one, so this is etc registration.php, and etc we have to db.xml and module.xml. This file is generated when we have to run this command: php bin magento setup due declaration generate whitelist module Rajnikant. This after adding this one, it will generate this file schema dot x this one whitelist dot json, right? Without this, you can't do the operations like rename, update a column, or something like that. You can't update this one operations without this one. So this is very important file, right? So we have added this one. If I'm going to check on my table, so let's check. Here we have to go for this one table, Rajnikant Technology table with ID, name, email, everything is created, right? So this how we are going to create the table. After that, I want to do some manipulations, right? So let me next step, this is done, that is we are able to create that table. Okay, so next we have table that is done. So drop a table. So for dropping a table, we can use this full syntax so that it will drop the table, right? So you can also drop the table. Just you have a setup declaration schema etc. This is the same one, right? So here we are defining the table name. Just what we have to remove all these tables with this table what we have created. This one you have to remove this table and just pass it this schema. It will automatically delete the table or drop the table from your database, right? When adding a new column into a table, so what we have to do, remember to generate the db schema.json file, right? So let's adding a new column. So we are going to add this one, time of event or something like that, we can add it. So where we have debug schema, let's add this one. This timestamp, we can take a new column that is the same as name. Let's add this one. So adding the this table name, so it's varchar name. First name we can mention, first name, length, and comment should be the first. So this is how we can add a new column to the table, right? And to remove any kind of table, right? So you need to pass, for removing a table, it is possible to drop a column only if exists in the DB schema. So how to do that? So to remove any kind of column, any drop any kind of column, you have to set the attribute disabled. So whatever column that you want to disable or you want to remove, right? So here db.schema.xml, I want to remove this one. So I will pass disabled equal to true. So this is how we can do it. Let's check. We're running the commands. So just only put the grade, or you can put the try run, right? Generated. So only it will whatever changes we have done, it will do only the changes. So if I go to the PHP my admin, that table is removed. Table we have done, that is where we are disabled date closed. So you can see that date closed table is removed. So this is how you can remove that one part, and how to change the column type, right? So just you need to do the same process. Let's go to the this one module DB schema, and this is the column that is a varchar, right? So here I'm going to put this the same one with text. Make this one, see what happens. Column attribute length is not allowed. Okay, so I can just use this and install this, or you can simply remove it also. Duplicate key source. So okay, it's this. Save this, run this. Decimal file decimal is invalid element. Column attribute length is not allowed. Where it is mentioned something we have done wrong. What it says, column and attribute length is not allowed. Length is not allowed. No, new comment is not allowed. This is not allowed, I guess. Let's check. Name, let's check. Name, let's check the structure. So name is gonna be a text, right? So this is how we can rename it. So this is all about the renaming a table, renaming the data type. So this way we can do the manipulation, right? So hope you will understand the objective of the declarative schema XML. And every time when you do that, you make sure everything should be available on the schema whitelist.json file, so that you can do such kind of stuffs or operations in the DB, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand the main use of the declarative schema in Magento 2. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment if you have any issue. Thank you so much. And do please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.